This video is a short demo of a content management software that I have created. This software has been created with the aim to reduce the large number of coordinators which are available at every content company. This is the admin page. So as you can see, all the features such as the number of files uploaded today, number of questions uploaded today, whether the target has been met or not, and the number of active users currently. So at first, this is a graph which represents overall report of files and questions uploaded on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, and on a particular date, which can be filtered. As you can see, five files has been uploaded on Friday, two files has been uploaded on Thursday, and the left table is for the top performers, which users has uploaded how many files. And basis on the uploaded files, the users will be ranked. Um, and you can also see the software gives you the latest uploaded questions and the recently added files, which questions were uploaded recently and which files were added recently. Along with that, you can see the number of how many users have uploaded today, how many unattended questions are left, how many questions are left to be attended, and how many questions has been uploaded. And in this page, the admin will upload the questions for the users. So let's upload some questions. Load. After all the questions has been uploaded, the admin should proceed to this page where the software will automatically distribute uh, equal number of questions to the users. As you can see, two questions has been distributed as there are a number of five questions. So to equally distribute, two number of questions has been allocated. User admin can click on the allocate button to allocate the questions to the users. As you can see, remaining question and one questions is left. Um, the next is the uploaded questions table. As you can see, this table gives you how many questions has been uploaded till date. And can also filter on the basis of the users, which questions has been allocated to which users. Along with that, the status, whether the questions has been accepted by users or not, whether the questions has been completed or not, and whether the questions has been attended or not. And users can also filter on the basis of date. Let's say 9/3/22, no date. 4, yeah, 5, the latest questions which we uploaded recently. The next is the uploaded file. This In this page, admin can see the uploaded files, all the uploaded files by their staffs, their works. Admin can also download the files, edit the file, and delete the file. Along with that, the software also provides the word count, how many words are there on a specific file in this file. And the admin can also filter the uploaded file basis on the users or on the basis of a date. Let's see, on the basis of date 93. The next is the edit file. In this file, the admin can make certain edits to the files if the staff has made some errors or not, and the admin can also choose the status of the file to keep it either on accepted. If the files has been accepted, the admin can change from on hold to accepted status date. The next is the profile page where the admin can change their profiles, emails, and there and other related personal info files. And this is the all users page. This page gives you an insight of how many users are currently there on the software and how many staffs. I mean to say how many staffs are currently on your software, registered staff on the software. So this is the overview of an admin page. Let's look at the users page. Users have only three pages available to them. Like admin, they cannot see all the users cannot see the graphs and how many questions they have uploaded. Uh, so this is user space. Users can this is where the all the questions will be assigned to the users. User can check which questions has been assigned to them. User can either download the files or view them in our software itself. As you can see, this is the questions. And user can also upload. User should upload the file here, where they have to input the file name on the sort like and upload it here. This is the uploaded file page for the users, where users can see their file's deadline date, uploaded date, and whether the file has been accepted or not. As you can see, the status is accepted, and the user can re-upload the file if the deadline date is not terminated. As you can see, this deadline date is terminated, so user cannot re-upload the file. User can also download their file to see their past mistakes. This is the profile page where user can update their username, email, locations, phone number, etc. So this is the overall overview of my content management system.